We have arrived at step 3 of this process. Now in this section, I'm going to show you how to make an image carousel where I make flashcards. To make an image carousel is very simple if you just want to add images. It's super simple, but the step further is to make flashcards, which I would assume you would want to learn. Okay, so what you would do is you would go back into your drive and you would open up your slides. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete, and I'm going to insert a text box, and I'm only going to do this once to format what I want. I don't want to have to keep doing this over and over again. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to change my font to like 96, and I'm going to center it, align it in the middle, and I'm only going to do 3 words right now because it requires a minimum of 3 images. I'm not going to make this a lengthy process. So the first word, comment, and then maybe I can insert an image. Insert image, search the web. This would be good for science vocabulary and math. It's going to give me the cleaner. Okay, there you go. There's a comment. Perfect. Let's see how big it comes out. Now, if this image is too overpowering, too large, I just take it from a corner and scale it down. And I can put it here. Maybe I should. Being I have an image, maybe not so centered. Okay. Okay, next one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here and I'm going to do Control C, come down here until I see that orange bar, Control V. Now that way I don't have to continue the formatting. All I have to do is change the word, and I'm going to do galaxy. Okay, I'm going to delete this, or maybe I can keep that there as a guide of how big I want it so it's pretty uniform. So I'm going to insert an image, search the web. There you go. Galaxy. Once again, too large. Scale it down. I like to leave these previous images so it kind of gives me a guideline of how big I need to. That's pretty close. So now I can move that one, click on the other one, delete, and this one goes back up, and there you go. I'm going to copy the galaxy slide, click over to the far left-hand corner, Control C, Control V, and I'm going to change the word. Let's do meteoroid. Meteoroid. This word's a little longer, so I'm going to click here and arrow back so that my image can fit. And then we're going to type in, we're going to add an image, Control C, search the web. Now I've noticed that in this Google library here that's linked to Google products, there's not that many images available as if you were to just search in a separate tab. You might find more images that you like. So usually I'll open a different tab and I'll insert from outside. Let's put that meteoroid. Now you can also include the definition on a separate one or at the bottom. Once again, too large. Hopefully these pictures are congruent with what the actual, oop, I lost that last picture. I don't know how. I guess I deleted it. I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. So simple as that. Obviously, if you're going to make a sight word flashcards, you could put images to help your the younger ones or your ELL. Track of what I'm doing. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot from corner to corner. So I'm going to go Control Shift, and then there's a little button that has a rectangle with two lines on the side. If you have a Chromebook, I hold Control Shift and then that little button at the same time, and then it dims the screen. And I'm going to draw this line down from corner to corner of that slide, and it automatically saves to my device. This is why I really like the Chromebooks. Now I'm going to come here, or you can do snippets, either way. Control Shift and that top button in the middle of your keypad, of your keyboard, all the way down, and it's saved. Do the third one. Did I? I guess I did. Okay, move that here. So let me take another screenshot. So here we go. Get rid of that blue box. So you don't want to take a picture. So click outside, and then I'm going to click again. Drag it down, and then we're good to go. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to my site, and I'm going to click on carousel. Yes, I see you. Image carousel. You can add a divider first too, if you want to. Add a divider to separate your different sections. And then now I'm going to put an image carousel. So if I do shift click, it'll go all the way, all three. And then I click open, and then there are my images. Insert. Now, you can make it larger by dragging in the corner. Okay, so eventually it'll stop. Okay. Okay, so now it's in a left side orientation. If I click and I drag it, you see the blue highlights, and then it gives you little spacers. There's little spacers there that tell you if it's centered or not. So the blue is where it would lay if you let go, and then those spacers on the side are letting you know that you're smack dab in the middle. So I could just release, and then there I go.